just the two of us. Yes, okay, that's cool.
Hello. Hello. I don't know what I'm from Miss Bandisa.
I said then it day like she was having a bad day, that's why.
Okay, never mind. Me car bar fitting shop was it.
Oh, okay.
To move tremono like more attract me. What I say.
Okay. And they say I am moody in our person me.
Oh, forget me no because one original menu. What I say. Your friend my father na your friend say.
Your friend me Tina.
Who said me pese be kasache. Oh. Mami, tell you what I'm from here into. But no na my mommy. Only if you are not dating.
Why not?
Okay. Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. We'll talk. Okay, talk.
You're so annoying.
I'm sorry. Oh. Yes, I know this father, right? Oh, okay. Yeah. We are home. Yeah. Can I please call you back?
Please, kindly give me the guy's number.
Tell me you are joking.
Do I look like someone who's joking?
What are you trying to tell me? The guy stopped you and you refused to stop.
I overheard you telling him I was in a bad mood, right? Just give me the contact.
I'm sorry. You've lost him.
Are you serious? Oh, so you are interested. Are you giving me the number or not?
Why Nankonya de Pankompe?
Listen, the guy made it clear that he had wanted to talk to me and not you. So give me the contact.
Thank you, drama queen. I also asked the guy very well and he told me that he wants to talk to me so I should forget you.
Oh, really? I can see you are interested. I never knew you were such a cheap girl.
And what are you?
Excuse me.
You are both the same thing.
Excuse me.
Interesting.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacha Tina.
Tina.
Yeah.
You mean my friend?
Yeah,
Tina?
your friend.
Oh, okay. She's taking a bath.
Okay. And I catch her and say me train.
Oh no! If you don't mind, you can come inside.
Oh.
You can't be here all alone. Oh, please, spare me that. Come inside.
That's kind of you.
Come inside.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yeah. I'm wonderful.
Come in. Why?
Oh, it's okay.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Where is she?
Who?
Tina.
Tina.
What catch him so inside?
Oh, then I'm sorry. She just left with the boyfriend.
Ah. Or then the boyfriend pay?
Of course.
But what catch him say our washroom?
Oh, it was a mistake.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure. I just wanted you to come inside.
Okay, then I'll leave.
Why are you leaving?
But I'm here for Tina.
Tina. Tina is with the boyfriend. You are still saying you are here because of Tina. Listen, you know something? The other time I knew you were really interested in me. But I was not in the good mood. That's why I showed that attitude. I'm really sorry about it, okay? Now my friend Tina is an intruder. That's it. So please forgive me. I'm very sorry.
But she's your friend.
Oh, yes, she's my friend. But you are interested in me and not her.
Okay, anyway, if I say anything on the back because I could do baby.
Are you for real? May I catch us any pan or boy? The boy didn't appear. You are still telling me you are here because of Tina. Are you for real?
The minute was so new boy, so then my mommy.
Oh, really? So you believe her?
Yeah.
Okay, I've heard you.
And someone can I for from mommy. Let me confirm from her. And send me who they are mayor. Why?
So why don't you believe me? Huh?
You are going too far.
Is it because of Tina you are doing this to me?